Nationalists, we have the art group, the SB art group. They are coming on stage to educate us about bivocationals, the entrepreneurial skills we need to have as people. Put your hands together as they are coming on stage.
All right, as the arts group is coming on stage, we would like to educate you small on that. SGA, we have the, various groups. We have the cultural group, the arts group, and then the media group. So this is the media group taking their coverage. Now the cultural group came to display. Now is the turn for the arts group to also display what they have learned. So please let's watch them as they display what they have learned.
Greetings, I am Robert Toto and I am here to preach on entrepreneurial skills. In Sanuyuma Idea Ebwama is room online. It is good to be a doctor, teacher, lawyer and many more. Someone Sanuyuma Kaunwa, Ebwama Kasani online. So today, I urge you all to advise your words on entrepreneurial skills to boost your artistic range. Our CEO and entire staff are focused on skill development. So today, my colleagues will demonstrate some skills they have acquired here in Shining Vessel. So my colleagues, please let's begin.
Good morning to you all. My name is Sharon Etiodubo.
My name is Feridon.
My name is Jada Lai. And we are here to make washing powder. And here are the materials we are going to use this week. This one is our soda ash. This one is our perfume. And this one is our sulfonic acid. This one is our glaze. And this one is our base. We are going to start it. Firstly, you pour your soda ash. Then you add your baked trays. Then you rub it until it makes complete.
Ouch! Me didn't have a acido. Nanka me did take ya kwamin pot me a kwamin ba. Pressure kwana me daminda. Me didn't have a acido. They spit on my face.
As she is rubbing it, we have to wait for some seconds. She is rubbing the soda ash and the base. She has added the glazing. She is rubbing it. She helped to make this until it fits completely. Then we add our sister wine. As she is rubbing it, we have to wait for some seconds. The last thing we are going to add is the enzyme.
We stress say Shining Vessels. And yeah, academics in Kwan, a yard, our home. Yes, science so actually, and San Juma, they will be to and they won't say, where are ye? A poor bro, every of like I say, in a way they be a poor bro, and in Tinoya, a Horiansa. Oh, yeah, oh, my Romans, and now I shall say, they see a poor bro.
Why am I born?
That's a fantastic. Shoshu, a poor runner. We a Shining Vessels. Answer about you, a poor ropa. But someone so my and I am very don't wash. Maybe I shall share. We won't go to some no, yeah, dear, what has say, yeah. Maybe she's showing the end products of what she did. She's showing you the end products. Maybe as she's going round, I'm ready to know. To me, mom, you know what has say washing powder and I package what has say. Your son saw a liquid soap and also a poor come a musu do. And time saw I after wash, she sham. Also, near me, no yakakra di gumwa, she sham way a SVA and a logo ebon home, young as I am mano and a yeah. Okay, thank you. We are done.
Opportunities together for them. That's the art group of SVA. They came to educate us the essence of acquiring bivocational skills for your personal development and the development of the nation at large.